Okay, so geography, I'm going to put a video on here just because we have, just in case anybody can't video conference with us, they'll have kind of the gist that we're doing. So we're actually start our geography blue book today. You are doing the Western Hemisphere. So that's Canada, USA, Central America, the Caribbean, South America, and we add Europe to it. So you're doing, after this video, or after our GOB, or whenever you're going to do that, that needs to be a big piece of paper, or I told your mamas in a text that they could tape pieces of paper. I taped Jackson's on the back, and it worked. It worked well. If you don't have a big poster board or a piece of butcher paper or a large piece, that works as well. So you're actually taking that, so all books away. It's just you and a piece of paper and a pencil, maybe an eraser, and give everything you know. So that's the drawing, that's the capital, that's the country, labeling the country. That's the two most important things right there. And then capitals, if your mom has you put those on. And then any features that you can think of that you've learned: mountains, rivers, lakes, oceans, lines of latitude, the prime meridian. I think the International Dateline prime meridian was the only line of longitude that we learned this year, if I can remember. But anything that was a feature that made that country unique, put those on there. Put as much as you can on there, and as neat as you can, and the best you can spelling. Don't forget capitals, capital letters. Everything is a proper noun, so everything has a capital letter because it's a specific place. And then let's see, that is part 1 of Blue Book. So geography is into 2 parts. So part 1 is this week, week 14, and then part 2 will be next week, where we do so all this is going to be on one big piece of paper. So you're going to do Canada, USA, Central, Caribbean, South America over here, Europe, and then the next week we're going to attach Asia, Africa, Australia, New Zealand, and then Oceania, all on that one big place, on that one big paper. And so I'm trying to think. I think that gets us. So this week, what you're working on is anything you have for the Eastern Hemisphere, for that Asia, Africa, Australia, Oceania section. You're going to kind of work and review that, just preparing for the eastern side of the world. So that's what you're working on this week. And then we're going to do our GOB. Hopefully we can get 3 rounds in, if we can do that, when we get on video conferencing. And then I think that's it. We are coming to the final stages of this year. So guys, finish strong. Do the best you can on your Blue Book for geography, because you have worked so very hard this year in this subject. It has been quite impressive how well this class has done, and just how seriously you guys taken it as a parent, and now as your tutor. It's just been impressive to see. So good job. You did a really, really good job, guys, and you have kind of just urged each other on to go further, to do better, and it's been impressive to watch. So good job. Okay, I think that wraps us up for geography. So I wish you all the luck in your on your Blue Book on the Western Hemisphere. Don't stress about it. Just show what you know. Just do everything that you can think of and make it the best you can be, the best you can. Because what I want you to think of, guys, is when you're finished with that part of the world today and you look at that map and you go, 29 weeks ago, school weeks, not actual weeks because we had breaks in there, but in August, when I first started, I looked at this and went, there's no way. Oh my gosh, how can I do this? This is what you've done. So no matter what you put on that paper, it's so much more than what was on that paper in August. So, yay. That's a huge accomplishment. So pat yourselves on the back. I'm very proud of you. Okay, now I'm gonna let you go and let you actually do your blue book. But I hope you do well. Good job. Show us all you know. All right, I'll see you in the next video.